Guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a topic how to change plan in Netflix, which is Netflix subscription plan. If you want to change it, if you want to degrade it or upgrade your plan, how you're going to do it. In this video we will discuss it in detail. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is to access to your Netflix account on a web browser. You can either do it on your PC, laptop, or you can do it on your phone as well. So I will open Chrome browser here on my phone. The next thing you need to do is to type in Netflix. It will open the Netflix website. From here, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Once you tap on that one, make sure that you're signed into your account. As you can see, I am signed into my account. Just below my profile name, you will find the account option. So once you tap on account option, so guys, on this page you will find the change plan just below the quick links option. So you need to tap on that one, and here you will find your current plan, which is in my case is the premium one. So if I want to degrade, if I want to select a standard one, I will just tap on the standard one, and the next thing I will tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, confirm streaming plan, the current one, then the new one, and they will mention the date from this date onwards my plan will change, the cycle will be completed. So if you are okay with every details here, just tap on confirm and your Netflix plan will be changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change the plan in Netflix. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.